What's going on, everybody? This is Austin from Valvetronic Designs, and welcome to the 2019 New York International Auto Show. It's been a total nightmare to get here as my press passes got denied, but we're here. Gonna show you around some of the stuff that I think is great and some of the stuff that I think is shit. So do enjoy. Definitely don't want this following you. This is the new Explorer Police variant. Still kind of curious if they're gonna put the EcoBoost in these. And every police department is going to come with the EcoBoost. I know that most of them come with a 3.7. I don't know why though, but these things look really good. This is the new ST Explorer, the quad tips. For many people, this is going to be the star of the show. The new GT 500, carbon fiber wheels. Crazy aero.
Good evening. I'm not Brian.
But sadly, no manual transmission.
Dealer partnership is unparalleled in the auto industry, and certainly none of them continued over 20 years.
Good evening. My name is Scott.
Let's go look at some GTRs because you will catch me in an R34 when they come to this country, no doubt. GTR Nismo and huge ceramic brakes. These things have kind of fallen off the pace compared to some of the other things. Still massively fast, huge titanium exhaust tips. Here it looks like a Gen 1 GTR with classic headlights, maybe an 09. Although it doesn't have the lower LEDs right there. That's what the newer cars have. Hey. It's more muscle cars, more power, you know, more power, baby. More power.
Show the hands-on contest and elevated it to
Such an exceptional machine, 305 years. But weirdly enough, all seasons. This could be argued as just enough for most people. Charger with the 5.7, 360, 370 horsepower, just about. Same thing with this Challenger. Just enough. Fun daily, big smoky burnouts. I remember one time I took one of these for a test drive when I first got my BMW 335 in 2016. And I showed up to the dealership with a friend of mine, and being a 16-and-a-half-year-old, the dealer salesperson threw me the keys and said, go and have a good time. So we did many rolling burnouts in this car. After doing many burnouts, we came back to the dealer, gave it back and said, hey, great car, thank you for having us, letting us have a lot of fun in it. And then I gave it back, and I left. More police vehicles here. This is a Durango. The lights running. I also like how it says Durango. The light bar. It's very cool. These come with the 5.7 as well. All-wheel drive. These are fast though, so I wouldn't run. Just don't run. Stop. Be a friendly guy. Try not to go to jail. But if they took these and put this engine in that, we'd all be fucked. Radios on. Love the interior in these. Now, these cars aren't crazy money, but quality's very good. Personally, I like the Uconnect. It's up to personal preference if you like the U-Connect or not. I know my friend Noah, he would love this. This looks like an Atlas. Something, I don't know, it's kind of dope though. I kind of dig it. There's a buggy there. Look at this. You guys have a Rapid Edition?
No. You have a Golf
My
R
heart.
on the floor, but no GTA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is an exceptional color. Extremely yellow. It's got the manual shift too. This is kind of badass. This Tahoe has huge brakes. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but I believe it has the 6.2, 450 horsepower, or 415. I have to say, I kind of dig it. If you're a regular, like 45-year-old dad who's done well, get yourself one of these. You know, the Range Rover's a little bit too posh. This is something with crazy doors. We always like crazy doors. Look at the fucking interior. Jesus. There's nothing in there. Whack. The Telluride. Fuck, I've heard such interesting things about this. This one all blacked out, kind of looks good. Very boxy square thing. Do like the rings and the headlights. Those look good. It's kind of just me telling you guys what I think and what I think is shit. Mine, Telluride off-road looking ass thing. Let's get some real coverage of this. Are you ready? She lives. The new Supra based on a Z4 platform. There's two of them. Okay. It's on a set of Super Sports. I have to say I really like the look of this car. I think the proportions are just right. It kind of reminds me of the size of an E46 M3. This is what the stock exhaust looks like. Got a little flap there. It's got a big face, got a big mouth. This thing kind of looks good actually. Imagine with some dark tints. Look at this actually. With some dark tints, that would look good.
Oh, I like that.
Ah, now here is the good shit.
You didn't tell him you wouldn't know. Right.
If you don't know what this is, fuck, what are you doing? Big ceramics. Red with yellow calipers. Kind of like that. SVJ. It's a beautiful thing to behold. And then, of course, have a blue matte carbon Chiron. Big blue calipers. Me too. Probably the most talked about car here. Crazy Arrow. I don't know the stats, go look them up, but it's just ridiculous. The skinny headlights. Most of the seats on it. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have early predecessor. CCX.
Yeah, he's right there. That's easy to stick, I can't see.
Wow. Remat. I don't really know much about. And then this is just fucking ridiculous. Jesus Christ. This isn't a fucking race car. Well, it is a race car. Glickenhaus. Very German. Very beautiful looking car. Looks like the carbon's almost painted on. It's crazy. Ah, the good shit. 911 991.2 Speedster. Just absolutely. It's going to have the 500 horsepower, 4 liter, naturally aspirated. GT3 motor. Unsure of sticker price right now. It looks like about 250 to 300,000 is what I would expect, knowing the 997 generation cars were produced in very limited numbers and were extremely expensive. Hopping into the new 992, cabin feels very Panamera-esque. Steering wheel's a good shape as always. Porsche nails the steering wheels, we know this. Big center rev counter. I don't know if I like this. I'll get used to it, I guess. Buttons up here, suspension, traction, probably individual modes here. What do you guys think? As Mr. Chris Harris would say, I cannot be the judge of what looks good. Let's avoid copyright there. I cannot be the judge of what looks good and what looks bad. I try to dress nice, but it usually doesn't work. But I think this is pretty good. It feels very big in here. From the GT3 my father and I, or not, I didn't own it, but my father owned. It felt a lot smaller than this car. This car feels very big, very airy. See, still plenty of back seat space. Yeah. I know my mother will be very happy to see that this is the new Macan, just been updated. Got that big front splitter down there. Same kind of RS Spider design wheels. These are now 21s with it looks like an all-season from Michelin, which is good. Now it's got the combined taillight in the rear. I don't know if I dig that, but again, I can't say what looks good or what looks bad. It's a very mild facelift over the current 9.5B generation of Macans. I apologize about the music in the background. I got some shit playing. We just got some pricing information. This is going to be $96,000. Titanium exhaust, PS4S's, ceramic brakes. It's crazy. Is it for me? I don't know. It's very flashy. The carbon hood. I think if it maybe had a set of silver wheels and didn't have the carbon hood, I think it might be a little bit more appealing to the regular person, the normal M4, M3 buyer, but $96,000 for this car. I don't know if they'll sell many, guys. I don't know. 2020 generation Audi R8 V10 Plus had this new face up front. Some people like it, some people don't. Again, I cannot tell you what looks good or bad because it's up to you. But the wheel design to me is a little bit too much. It's going with this Audi thing. A little bit over style. I don't know. I was a big fan of the Gen 2. Actually, I'm sorry, the Gen 1.5, the facelift 2014, 2015 Audi R8. I think that was the best looking one by far. But if you want to go buy an R8, go buy one. This is what you're gonna get. This thing is fucking nasty. It's like a truck, electric thing. Front and rear trunks. Look at the headlights. Look at the brakes. Everyone will like this. This is the new Gladiator. This one's on some really fucking microscopic wheels, but it's all good. This is the Rubicon. These are really long, really long, surprisingly. Much longer than I expected. This one doesn't look to be as long as the other one, but they're still very large. Extremely long. I don't know if I like the length. All right, that's all for me here at the New York International Auto Show. Again, thank you very much for tuning in. What did you guys like? What did you think was shit? I really liked the new Supra. I think it's the right size. And amongst other things, I thought the Gladiator was really long. So if you enjoyed the entire video, if you managed to sit through my idiotic commentary the whole time, I commend you. And that has been the 2019 New York International Auto Show.